Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, hi, hello, welcome. And if y'all are old here, thank you for clicking the video. So today is Tuesday, as like I posted on Instagram, my YouTube account, that I will be posting every other Tuesday and every other Saturday. I figured that would give it enough time for the postage to come, because it seems like every other Tuesday or whatever I would get like a full PO box thing. But anyways, this is an Amazon open packaging thing, whatever you want to call it, video. I'm recording off of my camera, so if you see me like readjusting the legs on the camera, is because that the camera is too heavy for what I have it on, and my phone is like completely out of storage, and you know, storage problem issues. Like right now I'm trying to set it up right now so that way it won't fall on me, you guys. Okay, and I'm sorry if y'all can't like really hear me enough. My nephew is currently sleeping right now, so I have to be like super duper quiet, like real quiet, or else you'll hear him cry, and I don't want to hear that. So anyways, sorry for the long intro, let's get into it. Okay, so this is an Amazon package. I've already opened it. So let's look into it. Now, these all came in different bags, but I just put it all in one so that way it'll be easier. I have these Sand X, and then I have this. Oh, oops. I have these, and then I also bought more MUJI pins as well. And I ran out of my other ones. Well, actually I can't find my other two that I recently bought. So this comes in a package of 3. This is a 0.5. I don't know if you can see it, you guys, but there we go. It is 0.5. So I got that one. And then these are also 0.5. But they're all different colors. I got black, green, blue, blue, green, green, orange, pink, 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 red, and purple. So that's what these look like. And if you want to see a video of me doing swatches for these, then let me know. It'll be a test run. This is actually not the brand that I was thinking of. It is, I guess it's, the name of it is Naughty or something. That's what it looks like. So, it's like HK. I'll open it real quick. Again, I'm adjusting. Sorry. My camera is too heavy for this. Okay. Please stay. It feels the same as the MUJI pen. I mean, look how similar it is. So, yeah. And also, I'm sorry for the bad lighting too. It looks like it's gonna rain outside. So, but there's that. That's what they look like. This is the MUJI pin. And then this is the HK one. Okay. Again, sorry that I have to adjust my camera. Okay. Then I got another one of these Sand X ones. Let's take them out of the package. There's that one, that one, that one. If you see like little damage, that's because my nephew had it and I didn't realize that he had it. So, yeah, he was biting on it. And then here's another one. They're all super cute and adorable. And I had to get more. There's that. They're all super cute. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want me to see me test these pens out, comment down below. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. But yeah, and if you want me to test these out, I will for sure, obviously. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching these kind of videos, because I do too. Again, if you want me to see them, let me know, comment down below. Let's get this video to 50 likes at least. So yeah, I'll put everything in the description box where I got these. I'll try to find the links to where I got these off of Amazon. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, even though I probably already said it already. Also, watch this video in HD. Yeah, y'all have a good Tuesday. I almost said Wednesday. Have a good Tuesday, even though it's probably gonna rain today. But have a good one.